Welcome to SkVm Sudoku. I'm going to solve the Hindi newspaper Sudoku Basel on March 19, 2022. One star Sudoku. 8th grade. Five numbers are remaining. Column E, we have 1 and 2. So 1 and 2 can't come these cells. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Then only 3 numbers are remaining. 3, 8, 9. 9th row, we have 3 and 8. So 3 and 8 it can't come this cell. It will come in another 2 cells. 10th row we have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell. 3 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. Then only one number is remaining 9. 9 is confirmed here. 9th row, only 2 numbers are remaining. 2 and 6. Column H we have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell. 2 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Eighth row, 4 numbers are remaining. 2, 4, 7, 8. 7th grade, we have 2 and 8. So 2 and 8 can't come these cells. It will come in another 2 cells. Column H we have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell. 2 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining. 4 and 7. Column B we have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell. 4 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. 10th row, 5 numbers are remaining. 4, 5, 6, 7, 9. 7th row, 7th grade, only 2 numbers are remaining. 5 and 6. Column B we have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell. 6 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Then only 3 numbers are remaining. 4, 7, 9. Column H, column J, we have 9. So 9 can't come in the cells. The 9 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining. 4 and 7. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Second grade, 5 numbers are remaining. 4, 6, 7, 8, 9. Column G, we have 6 and 7. So 6 and 7 can't come these cells. It will come in another 2 cells. Column F, we have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell. 6 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Then only 3 numbers are remaining. 4, 8, 9. Third row we have 4 and 9. So 4 and 9 can't come in this cell. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Then only one number is remaining, 8. 8 is confirmed here. Sixth row, 5 numbers are remaining. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Column C and column G and column I we have 9. Column E also we have 9. So 9 can't come these cells. The 9 is confirmed here. Column I we have 3. Column E we have 3. Column C we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells. then 3 is confirmed here. The only 3 numbers are remaining, 1, 5 and 7. Column I we have 5. Column C also we have 5. So 5 can't come these cells. Then 5 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 7. Column C we have 7. So 7 can't come in the cell. 7 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. Column I we have 7. So 7 can't come in the cell. 7 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Column G, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 2. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Column E, only 1 numbers are remaining, 7. 7 is confirmed here. 4th grade, 5 numbers are remaining, 2, 3, 4, 7 and 9. 7th row, we have 7 and 9. So 7 and 9 can't come these cells. It will come in another 2 cells. Column B we have 7. So 7 can't come in this cell. 7 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. Then only 3 numbers are remaining, 2, 3, 4. Column B and column D we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells. Then 4 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 3. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Seventh row, 3 numbers are remaining, 1, 5, 8. Column F and column J we have 5. So 5 can't come these cells. The 5 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 8. Column J we have 1. So 1 can't come in the cell. 1 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. Since 1 is here, so 1 can't come in the cell. 1 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. 10th row, only 1 number is remaining, 2. 2 is confirmed here. Column F, only 1 number is remaining, 8. 8 is confirmed here. Fifth row, only 3 numbers are remaining, 1, 3, 6. It will come in another 3 cells. We will confirm later. Column I, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 6. Third row, we have 1. So 1 can't come in this cell. 1 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Fifth row, only 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 6. Column H, we have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell. 6 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Column J, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 7. Second row we have 7. So 7 can't come in the cell. 7 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Column H, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 4. Fourth row we have 1. So 1 can't come in the cell. 1 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Since 4 is here, so 4 can't come in the cell. 4 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. Column B, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 3. Second row we have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell. 3 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Seventh row, only 1 number is remaining, 2. 2 is confirmed here. Third row, only 1 number is remaining, 3. 3 is confirmed here. Second row, only 2 numbers are remaining, 8 and 9. Column D we have 8. So 8 can't come in this cell, 8 is confirmed here, then 9 is here. Fourth row, 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 6. Column C we have 5, so 5 can't come in this cell, 5 is confirmed here, then 6 is here. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Please like and share this video. Thank you very much.